Hello again everybody. I just wanted to do a bit of a quick one today. While I'm harvesting my first potatoes of the season. These are our Kestrel second Earlies, which we planted in March, and I actually did a video on that. I planted 6 30-litre buckets of Kestrel potatoes. A really nice potato, one of my favourite early potatoes to grow. So they are starting to fall over now and look a little bit sorry for themselves, and there are some signs of flowers starting to appear on the tops. I've had a little bit of a sneak peek, and they're a nice new potato size now, so I'm going to harvest 2 buckets of the 6. I'm not going to harvest all of them, and I'd just like to show you my results from my first harvest of 2023, first potato harvest. So yeah, let's get into the video. So grabbing our first bucket here. So the foliage has gone crazy. These were in the polytunnel, by the way. I had these in the polytunnel up until only a couple of weeks ago, actually, when the tomatoes went in there. So they have spent most of their life in the polytunnel where it's been much warmer. So they have grown very fast. Today is the 28th of May. So, you know, it is pretty early actually. So yeah, new potatoes, nothing nothing massive. I wasn't expecting anything huge. Just new potatoes from these. Still got the seed potato there. It looks edible, to be honest. It doesn't look rotten like they normally are. Looks in half decent condition. I could probably plant it again. Actually, there's shoots on it again, ready to go again. So yeah. They all seem to be on the top. To be honest, there's I've hit a red ant nest. Red ants have made a nest in here. A reasonable harvest actually, not too bad that. There's enough for a couple of teas there, definitely. Well, you'd probably have 4 or 5 new potatoes per portion, and you know, I would say there's probably there's probably around 6 or 7 or 8 portions there, so you know, not too bad actually. 4 seed potatoes, they are second Earlies, so you know, I will put 4 second early seed potatoes in a bucket, and with main crops I put 2 per bucket. Anyway, I think I'll yeah, I was gonna harvest 2 buckets, but because there's a decent amount of new potatoes in here, I am just gonna be doing the one, rather than having potatoes sat in my cupboard and risking them either rotting or going green. I'm just going to be harvesting them bucket at a time, but I'd just like to show you my first potato harvest of the season. Yeah, I love Kestrel potatoes with their lovely purple eyes on them. Look at that, beautiful. In fact, some of these buckets I may leave to get a bit bigger because they will grow bigger than this, despite them being early potatoes. You know, I've had them be up to like half the size of my hands before now, so you know, I may leave some of them to get a little bit bigger So yeah, quite a simple and quick video today. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching me harvest this one bucket of Kestrel potatoes. So thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.